Welcome to the math class. Student, regarding your marks, okay, I'll share the marks later. Now I'll complete the session. Okay. I need that Rohini papers alone. I need Rohini paper because the Rohini send the paper as an empty file only. There is nothing in the file. Then also you can resend the file to my mail ID. Yeah. After complete the session, you can send the paper immediately. Okay, in exercise number 1.5, we'll discuss few Venn diagrams. Okay. The Venn diagram is for distributive property and De Morgan law of set difference and De Morgan law for complementation. Okay. Regarding these three laws, totally 6 Venn diagram we'll discuss. Okay. Up to the previous class. Now we'll move on to exercise number 1.5 to solving problems. Okay, to solving problems in exercise number 1.5. Already we'll complete a already completed few Venn diagrams. Okay, now we'll move on to exercise number 1.5. We'll discuss few problems in this exercise. Exercise number 1.5. Exercise number 1.5. First sum. Using the adjacent Venn diagram, find the following set. Okay, using the adjacent Venn diagram. Here they will give the Venn diagram. See the Venn diagram. Based on the Venn diagram, you want to find the information. Okay, based on the Venn diagram, you want to find the information. Okay, based on the Venn diagram. There is a Venn diagram they will given with including the 3 sets: set A, set B, and set C with the universal set U. Okay, now we'll write the elements. This is A and this is B and this is C. The element of set A they will give that is 4, 6, and this is 3, -2, and -1. 5, 7, 0, -3. In the universal set, that is write 1 and 2. 5 on, and here it is 8. Yeah, these are the elements. These are the elements for the Venn diagram. Okay, for the first subdivision, listen carefully, students. Only you must refer the Venn diagram. Okay, to refer the Venn diagram and directly answer these questions. First one is A difference B. First one is A difference B. What is mean by A difference B? To remove the element of B from A. Okay, this is set B. Okay, to hide the set B fully. Okay, to hide the set B fully. These are the element of set A. What is the remaining element? 4, 6, 3. 4, 6, 3 will arrange in order 3, 4, 6. Okay, to remove the element of B from A, to hide the element of set B fully, and write the remaining element in set A. Only the 3 element in set A. 3, 4, 6. This is element of set A difference B. Second subdivision. Subdivision number 2. B difference C. B difference C. What does mean by B difference C? To remove the element of C completely from B. Yeah, to remove the element of C, to totally can hide set C fully. And what is the remaining element? -1, 5, 7. Arrange in order. -1, 5, 7. Yeah, B difference C. Listen, student, listen carefully. Here, I'll refer only the Venn diagram. Okay, based on the Venn diagram only, I'll write the answer. Okay, this is the Venn diagram. Refer the Venn diagram and then you'll write the answer for the subdivisions. For the first subdivision, A difference B, to remove B from A. Next, B difference C, to remove C from B. Now, for the third subdivision, A dash union B dash. First, you don't know what is A dash, what is B dash. Okay, that's why for the third subdivision, first you can identify what is A dash and what is B dash first. A dash. What is mean by A dash? What is mean by A dash? The complement. Okay, the complement of a set A. Okay, what is mean by A dash? The complement of a set A. The complement of a set A. Observe. Okay, very good. Except A. Okay, except A, that is called A dash. Except A, that is called A dash. Okay, listen. Before going this, first you can observe the few things. Then you can easily connect this problem. Sorry. The element of set A. What is the element of set A? because the few information you know, then only you can identify the answer. The element of set A. This is set A. What are the elements? -2, -1, then 3, 4, 6. And element of set B. Element of set B. This is set B. Okay, this is set B. Write down the element of set B: -2, -1, 5, 7, 8. And element of set C. Element of set C: -3, -2, 0, 3, and 8. This is the element of set C. Next to the universal set U. Okay, universal set that combine all the elements: -3, -2, -1, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, and next is 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. Okay. This is only the idea for the universal set. Okay, we'll write all the elements of the universal set: -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we'll write all the elements of the universal set. This and all is not necessary, but for your understanding purpose, because what is mean by A dash? Except A. Okay, except A, from the universal set, you'll write the elements. Okay, except A. What are the elements in A? -2, -1, 3, 4, 6. Just you can strike out -3, -1, 3, 4, 6. Now you can write down the element of A dash: -2, 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. Okay, these are the elements of set A dash. Next, B dash. What does mean by B dash? Except B. Okay, except B. Okay, except B. Then -2, just I'll encircle. -2, -1, 5, 7, 8. Okay, these are the element of set B. Just take an encircle and write the remaining element: -3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, these are the element of set B dash. Okay, then you can easily connect the idea. Yeah, why I can write the A, B, C now for your understanding purpose. But this is not necessary to write. Okay, directly we'll answer for this question. Okay, directly refer the diagram, I can identify the answer. This one for your understanding purpose. What is A dash? What is B dash? That's why I'll write A and B. Otherwise, you'll write direct answer also. Okay, how to write the direct answer for A dash and B dash? Now look at here. Then what does mean by A dash? Except A. Except A, now write down the remaining elements: -3. Sorry. Except A na. Just one right. I made a mistake in the. Okay. I made a mistake, that is -3. I'll miss that -3 for the set A. For the set A, that -2. Except -2 na. Just one right. The element of set A: -2, -1, 3, 4, 6. That -2. That is not -2. That is -6. -3 and 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. Okay, that's correct. Okay, I made a mistake. That is -3. That's not -2. Next for B dash. For B dash na. Okay, that is correct. -3 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. Okay. How to observe that A dash and B dash in the diagram na? It's very simple. You can easily refer the diagram. Okay, easily refer the diagram and except A. Okay, except A. But don't look at set C. Okay, only these two elements. Okay, then look at everything. Okay, now I'll write down A dash union B dash. Okay, what is A dash union B dash? Write down the element of A dash union B dash, because the subdivision 3 is based on A dash union B dash. Now you can union these two sets, union these two sets. Student, again I'm repeating for your reference purpose for that set A, B, C and the universal set, right? Okay, then only you can easily identify the answer. Yeah, directly you can refer the diagram. Na? It may be, suppose there is a single element, your final answer is wrong. That's why carefully, carefully watch the diagram and write down the answer. A dash union B dash: -3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can touch this one. For universal set, 7, 8. Yeah, this is the element of set A dash union B dash. Next, fourth subdivision. intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. Intersection is common. Which elements are common? -3 is common. 0, 1, 2. Any other elements? That's all. Yeah, these elements are common between A dash and B dash. A dash and B dash. -3, 0, 1, 2. This is the answer for A dash intersection B dash. So up to fourth subdivision you can copy and you can continue the remaining subdivision. 5, 6, 7. Let's do it quickly. This is for your reference purpose. Okay. Suppose I know very well stuff. Otherwise, I'll skip the thing and directly you can move the direct calculation. No problem. Otherwise, just you can copy A, B, C and the universal set. Try to complete the remaining subdivision also. So those you have finished the fourth subdivision, try to answer for 5, 6, 7 subdivision. 5, 6, 7 subdivision. Okay, for A dash union B dash, okay, that A dash union B dash. Otherwise, you'll apply De Morgan law also, you'll get the answer. What's the De Morgan law? A dash union B dash is nothing but A intersection B whole dash. Okay, A intersection B whole dash na. Okay, it's a short way. Okay, it's a short way. Without finding A dash B dash, we'll identify the answer. What's the A intersection B? What is the A intersection B? That -1 and -2. Okay, -1, -2. Except these two elements. Okay, except these two elements, you'll write down the remaining elements. -3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct? -3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Except these two. Because we'll connect it with De Morgan law. Now only you learn the De Morgan law for the Venn diagram. A intersection B whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. Same way. A dash intersection B dash is nothing but A union B whole dash. Okay. A union B whole dash is union of these two. Except these elements. Okay. Union of these two except what's the element? -3, 0, 1, 2. Yeah, listen students. Without finding A dash B dash. Okay. Without identifying A dash B dash. Yeah. Because actually we'll identify A dash B dash. Then only we'll identify the answer. But we'll apply De Morgan law of complementation. Directly we'll identify the answer. Okay. Once again, I repeat that A dash union B dash is nothing but A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B now only these two elements. -2, -1 is A intersection B. A intersection B whole dash except these two elements. Okay. Except -2, -1 and write down the remaining element. That is the answer. Okay. Directly write the answer. And next one. A dash intersection B dash is equal to A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash except A union B. We'll write only the 4 elements. -3, 0, 1, 2. These are other idea. Okay, the other way to write down the element. Because the application. Okay, that's why I'll tell you that model also. Yeah, again I'm repeat student, listen carefully. Here we'll apply for the third and fourth subdivision. We'll apply De Morgan laws for complementation and find out the answer in a single step without identifying A dash B dash. Okay. The other way also we can go through. Next one, fifth subdivision. Yes, have you all completed? Those who need a time only, you can send a message. Otherwise, I'll move on to the next subdivision. Yes, anybody wants time to complete the subdivision? Okay. Next, fifth subdivision. What's the fifth subdivision? That is B union C whole dash. B union C whole dash. Fifth subdivision. B union C whole dash. What is B union C? Look at the diagram. Now look at the diagram. B union C. This is your B union C. This is your B union C. That B union C whole dash na except B union C. What are the elements are pending? 1, 2, 4, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 6. Except B union C. 1, 2, 4, 6. Again, I'm repeat. This is your B union C. Except the B union C. I'll write down the remaining elements 1, 2, 4, 6. Next, sixth subdivision. A difference, B union C. A difference, B union C. Yeah, this also will directly write the element. A difference, B union C. This is the element of set A. Yeah, B union C. Na? I can remove this one. What's the remaining part? What is the remaining part? Only the 4, 6. So do you have any doubt? I can refer the Venn diagram shade. Okay, to shading the Venn diagram. A difference, B union C. That is B Markov law of set difference. A difference. This is your B union C. Can you completely remove B union C from A? Okay. B union C is completely removed from A. That is 4, 6. Seventh subdivision. A difference, B intersection C. What is B intersection C? This is called the B intersection C. Okay. This is called B intersection C. Okay. Then look at that A circle alone. What is the balance element in A? Hide this element. -1, 3, 4, 6. Okay. -1, 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. Yeah, this is the element of A difference B intersection C. Okay. A difference B intersection C. A difference B intersection C is equal to -1, 3, 4, 6. I complete the seventh subdivision. For the fifth subdivision, B union C whole dash. What does mean by B union C whole dash? Except the B union C. Write down the remaining element. That 1, 2, 4, 6. And next A difference B union C. Na? To remove B union C from A, the remaining element from A, that's 4, 6. A difference B intersection C. That this is B intersection C. This part from A, we can remove that B intersection C. Na? -1, 3, 4, 6. For this subdivision, you can fully refer only this Venn diagram. Okay, only this Venn diagram. Based on this Venn diagram, we'll write the answer for the subdivision. Okay. Again, I repeat, students, look at the Venn diagram clearly. Then observe the subdivision, each and every subdivision. No need to identify plenty of information. Okay. In a single step, it can answer. Okay. No need to write step-by-step procedure. Okay. It is not necessary to write step-by-step procedure. Yeah, without writing the steps, directly refer the Venn diagram. That's why in the question itself they will given using the adjacent Venn diagram. Find the following set. Okay, you can use only this Venn diagram. Okay, refer the Venn diagram and you can answer the question. No need to write first B union C separately and A difference B union C. Okay, no need to write by step procedure. Directly proceed the problem. Only refer through the Venn diagram. Next, question number 2. Actually, it's application of distributive property. They will given left hand side, right hand side of the distributive property separately. Later, we'll verify which subdivisions are equal or which subdivisions are not equal. That is only the idea for the second problem. Next one, we'll move on to the distributive property concept. Okay, question number 2. We will given the element of set K. K is equal to A, B, D, E, F, and element of set L. B, C, D, G, and element of set M. Element of set M. A, B, C, D, H. First subdivision. We'll identify K union L intersection M. The K union L intersection M. First, we'll identify L intersection M. L intersection M. L intersection M. What is the common element between L and M? Observe the element of L and M. B, B, C, C, D, D. What's the common element? B, C, D. This is the common element between the set L intersection M. Between the set L intersection M. Next, K union L intersection M. Now we can join with the set K. Now we can join with set K. K union L intersection M. K union L intersection M, which is equal to, what are the elements of K? A, B, D, E, F. Arrange in order A, B, C, D, E, F. That's all. Yeah, the K union L intersection M is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. Next, second subdivision. Subdivision number 2. K intersection L union M. First, identify L union M. Union of the set L and M. A, B, C, D, G, H. Arrange in order. A, B, C, D, G, H. Then next, K intersection L union M. What is the common between set K? This is set K and this is L union M. What are the common elements? A and B, next D, and that's all. A, B, D. Only the 3 elements are common. This is the solution for subdivision number 2. Third subdivision. For subdivision number 3, K union L intersection K union M. First, you can identify K union L. The union of the element K and L. Set K and L. This is K and this is L. Arrange in order A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Next, K union M. K union M. This is K and this is M. Arrange in order A, B, C, D, E, F, H. Okay. This is union of the set K and M. A, B, C, D, E, F, H. And next, the intersection between these two sets. K union L intersection K union M. Okay, now we can identify common elements A, B, C, D, E, F. And this is the common element. This is the common element. The last element is F, right? Yeah. Next is fourth subdivision. Subdivision number 4. What's the fourth subdivision? K intersection L union K intersection M. First, K intersection L. What is mean by common between set K and L? Common element B, B, and then next D, D. That's all. B, D is the common element. Next, K intersection M. K intersection M. This is K and this is M. A, B, B, and D common. That's all. A, B, D is the common element. A, B, D is the common element. Next is union. K intersection L union K intersection M. Union and join A, B, D. Now we can observe subdivision number 1 is equal to subdivision number 1 is equal to which subdivision? Observe subdivision A, B, C, D, E, F. That A, B, C, D, E, F. Subdivision 1 and 3 are equal. Yes, the element of subdivision number 1 and subdivision number 3 are equal. Next is subdivision number 2. A, B, D. Subdivision number 4. Subdivision number 2 and 4 are equal. Subdivision number 1 and 3 are equal. Subdivision number 1 and 4 are 2 and 4 are equal. That means we can come to the conclusion and verify the distributive laws. Means it's very simple. Now we can write that subdivision number 1 which is equal to subdivision number 3. 1 equal to 3 and 2 equal to 4. Or simply we can connect K union L intersection M, which is equal to this one. and K intersection L union M, which is equal to this one. Therefore, it satisfies the distributive property. Hence, the distributive property is verified. Yeah, observe the first and third subdivision are equal. How to write after complete the fourth subdivision? Okay, from 1 and 3. Okay, I will write the conclusion. From 1 and 3, these two are equal. Next, from 2 and 4. Okay, from 2 and 4, these two are equal. And the final step, hence the distributive property is verified. Okay, these two lines alone you can insert after complete the problem. First, to complete the all four subdivisions, then we can come to the conclusion. Student, don't write a line. That is for your understanding only. I'll write a line. Okay. This is our first subdivision. This is the second subdivision, and this is the third subdivision, and next is the fourth subdivision. Don't draw the arrow mark. The arrow mark to connect. Okay. But your class work will write in a continuous order. First subdivision, next to second subdivision, next to third subdivision, next to fourth subdivision. Okay, after complete the four subdivision, you will come to the conclusion from first 1 and 3. Okay, K union L intersection M is equal to K union L intersection K union M, and from 2 and 4, K intersection L union M is equal to K intersection L union K intersection M. Yeah, can complete. Those that didn't complete, please take a screenshot. Now I can show. I can tell you marks for your cycle test. Sir, I need 5 minutes time to share the marks. Sir, wait, sir. Student, those that didn't complete, please take a screenshot. Immediately you can take a screenshot. Now I can tell your marks. Those that didn't complete, please take a screenshot immediately, and then I'll tell you your marks. I call out one by one name with the mark.